But just so you know, the Minerals Income Investment Fund and the Ghana Stock Exchange have begun steps to get gold-backed assets listed on the local bears. There is more for you in this report.
The move by the Ghana Stock Exchange and the Minerals Income and Investment Fund will establish a practical framework for the development of stronger business relations between the two parties. Since its establishment, the Ghana Stock Exchange has only one gold-backed equity trading, despite the country being the leading producer of gold in Africa. Speaking at a short ceremony to sign an MOU, CEO of the Minerals Income and Investment Fund, Edward Nanaya Kranting, told journalists that Ghana will be emulating other best practices in developing key sectors with funds from gold.
We want to be able to get them listed on the alternative exchange and help them even develop onto the main exchange. One reference point I usually make is Perth and Toronto. You look at Perth, you look at Toronto, these cities have been developed on the back of the mining sector. You look at Toronto, 1,500 out of the 3,400 listed companies are mining companies, and that's a $4.3 trillion market cap for that stock exchange. I mean, it's simple. Why can't we create the same here?
Managing Director of the Ghana Stock Exchange, Abnamwa, described the partnership as timely.
You know, there are certain things that requires policy to take the lead. And that's why we're very excited when the Minerals Commission in 2020-2021 launched the localization policy for the mining sector. Under that policy, mining companies of a certain size are required to list at least 20% of their shares on the stock exchange. And so this is an opportune time for us. It's in implementing this, and of course now there's MIF as well, with a very focused agenda to ensure that Ghana's mineral resources are developed in a manner that inures more to our benefit as well, equally to the benefit of Ghanaians. And that is why these stars are aligned.
The Ghana Stock Exchange, among other things, will make available its platforms for companies working with the Minerals Income and Investment Fund to access capital from any of the Ghana Stock Exchange markets.